One of the problems you have with traditional vessels is that they are very inefficient at high speeds. And that's because the vessel basically has to move the water out of the way. So what we have done is that we have basically put wings under the boat that lifts the boat above the surface. And this reduces the energy consumption by roughly 80%. So we have a drastic energy reduction, which makes this type of vessel able to go very far at high speeds.